Hello guys and welcome to this beginner tutorial for MakeUGC, okay? In 2026, if you are not running user-generated content ads, you are not making sales. But we all know the struggles. Hiring real creators is expensive. We're talking from $200 to $500 for a single video. Plus, you have to ship the product, wait 2 weeks, and pray that they actually follow the script. But what if you could generate a realistic human video with a creator who looks like your target audience, speaks your language, and this is the killer feature, actually holds your product all in about 10 minutes. This is exactly what Make UGC does. It is, in my opinion, the best AI user-generated content tool on the market right now because it solves the uncanny valley problem better than anyone else. So today I'm going to build a complete ad for a skincare brand called Lumina Glow from scratch. We're gonna write the script, cast the actor, and render the final video. I have left a link in the description below that is gonna get you the best current deal on the plan, and you're gonna be able to start from $1, okay? So just click that and let's follow along. Okay guys, so the step one is the setup. Once you log in, you're gonna see your dashboard, which looks like this basically, and we're going to hit a new project, okay? Start a new project. I'm just gonna give this a cool name like Lumina Glow because that's gonna be my product. And I'm gonna select a new folder which is gonna be ads, for example, okay? I'm gonna create this folder. Let's go to create project. Okay, here we are. As you can see, we're in the folder of the ads inside of Lumina Glow project. Now guys, the hardest part of any ad is actually the script, specifically the hook, okay? The first 3 seconds. So MakeUGC has actually a built-in AI script writer that is going to give you a good script once you tell the AI what your product is about, okay? However, if you want the best results, I recommend that you be original and you write your own script, okay? But it's gonna take you, of course, much more time. So what I'm gonna do in here, I'm just gonna type in my products. It's gonna be vitamin C serum that fixes dark spots in 7 days. And with this little piece of information, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the AI script writer, okay? And as you can see, I pasted it in the same idea again, vitamin C serum that fixes dark spot in 7 days. And then you have to choose basically the product category. Of course, there is no best option in here. You can just try and see what works best for you, okay? You're gonna see different scripts for this. So you have comparison, curiosity, product review, product explainer, recommendation, or slightly funny testimonial, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go with the slightly funny testimonial and see what it comes up with. Now you basically have to select the mode you have between OmniHuman and Nova 2.0. I like the Nova 2.0 better from what I've been testing, and also it spends less credit in general. It only spends 1 credit per video. But before that, I'm gonna click on generate and see what the script comes out to be before anything, so I can maybe modify it before actually going for my video. Okay. And as you can see, this is what it came up with. It's pretty good in my opinion, okay? I need to confess something. My face has highly real of dark spots. And then, this is kind of like the hook, I guess. And then it's coming with this, kind of review of this product, okay? And of course, you can totally modify this however you like. For example, as you can see here, I didn't actually give it the name of my product in the description, so I didn't use it. But then instead of saying, then I use this vitamin C serum, I can add something like, which is called Lumina Glow, okay? And that is gonna make sure that my name is on this video. Now, what's gonna happen once you click on generate is that, you're gonna have an actor made by artificial intelligence that is gonna start to read the script. However, currently there's no emotion in the script, okay? So the way that it's gonna read is gonna be kind of flat. So what I like to do is I like to add speech emotion. And what this is gonna do in here, as you can see, it's gonna add these little words that are skeptical, maze, that are gonna make sure that whenever the actor reads these sentences, he's gonna act like, for example, amazed or skeptical, okay? And you can really add whatever word, whatever hashtag you want, and with the correct emotion that you want to portray with the actor, and he's gonna make sure to actually really like that, okay? So for example, here you could say something like desperate, okay? And that's gonna look like this. Okay, so as I was saying before, you have the Nova 2.0 model. I recommend you use this, and then you have the different like modes, like the talking actor, protein hand, BSL, brawl, so on, so on, so on. Some features are very cool. For example, the product in hand. You're gonna be able to upload a picture of your product in here, and the actor is gonna basically hold it. Okay, but this is a pro feature, so you need a pro plan. Okay, so that's important to keep in mind. Similarly, you have the custom avatar, which is going to allow you to clone yourself, basically, and the custom voice, which is going to allow you to clone your own voice. But today we're going to go with the talking actors because it's the most common. It's like the most popular for this one. It's basically what it's known for, talking actors. Now, also remember that not only do you have the text-to-speech option, you can also do speech-to-speech, okay? If you want to maybe say like a script in your own voice, the AI is going to try to replicate it. Now, let's go for the actors, okay? MakeUGC has over 100 licensed actors. And the good thing is that you can filter them by their age, their gender, and their color of the skin, okay? And also like the style. So you can see we have many different options in here. I'm not gonna go through them because if you scroll through them, you're gonna be able to see a preview and actually hear from them. Well, I'm actually gonna do it just for once so you can see how it works. But yeah, let's say that I wanna hear this Natalia speak.
Hi there, welcome to Make.
As you can see, this has the sounds, okay, and you have many different actors, okay? So there's so many of them, and you can just select your own one, the one that you prefer. For this one, I'm gonna select a female between 30 and 40, okay? And yeah. So what you're gonna do is very simple. You're just gonna click on the actress, and you're gonna click on OK. And after that happens, what is gonna happen is that you're gonna generate, well, the AI is actually gonna generate the voice of the actress reading this script, as you can see in here. So once you play it, it's gonna start to generate it. So be patient and wait for a few seconds. It's gonna take usually like 10-15 seconds or so.
A before photo. I had these dark.
And now you can basically hear this lady speaking the script, okay? And as you can see, for me, it sounds a little bit robotic. So what I can do is that I can increase the emotion a little bit, okay? So I can actually turn it to 0.1, okay? And I can also like, increase the tone a little bit. That's gonna make sure that this is more similar to this actress that we heard before in the preview. So I'm gonna turn it up to 0.6 there. Okay, and I'm gonna click on generate voice. And guys, with this, there's no recipe, okay? You just have to fine tune to find the voice that is gonna sound better, okay? So it doesn't sound too artificial, too generic.
Stop.
So let's hear this again to see that it's actually better. Let's wait.
Dark spots that made me look like I lost a fight with my own skincare routine. I tried covering them up and somehow it made me look more textured. Love that for me. Stop scrolling!
Okay, so as you can see, this sounds so much better than before, and I just tweaked the tone a little bit and the emotion. So I'm just gonna leave it like that, okay? And I think this is actually perfect. So I'm just gonna click on generate. Before you confirm, keep in mind that you have to avoid, violent or adult content or language. Also, be careful with the typos because, this is gonna cost you money, like real money, credits, okay? So if you mess up, it's gonna be on you. And use proper punctuation so that the actor can read it in an appropriate way, because otherwise it's gonna look or sound weird. Let's click on generate video. So guys, I'm gonna be timing how much this takes to generate, okay? Just to tell you how fast it is. Okay guys, so this took exactly 15 minutes to generate. Not bad, okay? But also not the best. I was expecting maybe a little bit less of time, but anyways, let's get to it. We wanna watch it and see how it looks.
Stop scrolling! My face was basically a before photo. I had these dark spots that made me look like I lost a skincare routine. And mind my business. If you've got dark spots and you're tired of pretending concealer is a personality trait, try it.
So yeah, it looks pretty good in my opinion. Now, not only can you do that with the video, but you can also do certain things such as download it, of course, which is absolutely necessary. So just click here to download it. You can remove the background in case you want to add something else or edit it further in Premiere Pro or After Effects. You can also remix it, meaning you're gonna use the same actress, kind of the same script, but with a different little touch, with a different dialogue. And you can also upscale it. And finally, you can edit it. So let's say, for example, that you're not actually happy with the voice once you actually hear it back. You can come to the edit and then you can modify the tone, the clarity, and the emotion, and you can regenerate the video. Okay? So yeah guys, this has been the tutorial pretty much, okay? And I hope that you can use it and that you like it. So guys, just if you want to start generating ads like this, use the link in the description below. And yeah, it's gonna help the channel and it's gonna ensure that you land on the official site and that you actually get the best deal, which is gonna be that you can have your first video for $1 and then it's gonna cost you $49 per month. Okay? Thank you so much.